Hello again to my Year 4s. I am here today to talk about the other part of our topic. We have just done water, tick, and now it's on to the N, carried away, air, Luft. It is the air that I want to talk about right now. Firstly, the air is of course a gas. Water we see mostly as a liquid, but when I'm talking about the air, I am talking about not an M. I am talking about a gas. The gas that goes around us everywhere, and it is a gas. It is atoms. There are many millions of atoms in between me and you. Well, the camera anyway. And I can feel them. I can wave my hand at my face. I can feel all of them hitting me. They are real. It may look like there's nothing in between, but that is not true. If I talk about the air, I'm talking about our atmosphere. The atmosphere being all of the air that is in around our Earth. Our Earth is very special, we know that. It's the only planet with life. But if we have our atmosphere, what is in the gases that make it so special? One thing that surprises many people is that 78% of the gas around our Earth is made of something called nitrogen. Ella percentage. That word. Clever? Maybe? Nitrogen. It's actually a really boring gas. It doesn't do very much for us. However, it is a very important gas nevertheless. Nitrogen is needed to make proteins. And there are things, often bacteria, some plants too, that can take the nitrogen from the atmosphere and it helps the plants to grow. And of course, we can eat the plants and get the proteins that way, or something else eats the plants, we eat them, get the proteins that way. We need that nitrogen in our atmosphere because it helps our food chains and cycles to develop, so we can actually have food to eat. The second gas in our atmosphere is one you all know. 21% of our Earth is oxygen. Zero. Oxygen is of course important. Yes. Oxygen is important because we can breathe. We breathe so we can get oxygen. We need oxygen in our bodies, into Bora Palungana. We need that to help us make energy. It's a process we just a little bit talked about, not so much, called respiration. We need our bodies to do this to give us energy. That's why if I'm doing exercise, then I am going to need to go to the gym more because I'm really tired. No. I need to breathe much more so I can get the oxygen to make my energy. That's the really important thing about that. Look as well, it's only 21%. The air cancer store, in fact, is. The Earth, the oxygen has been getting higher and higher in the Earth's history, pretty much until the modern day with a couple of changes. If that got any higher, it would actually be really bad. Yes, we could grow more and grow easier, but oxygen is also the thing that can make fires start, can make burning happen. If we had too much oxygen, everything would be on fire, basically. Not so good. So oxygen is not only something good. The next thing, which is about 1%, is something called argon. Argon doesn't do anything. Moving on. Next, or at least the most important of the little gases, is of course CO2, carbon dioxide, eller såklart koldioxid på svenska. This is important, very important. It's only a little bit. It's only about 0.03 of the Earth's atmosphere. But it's an important 0.03, because that, of course, carbon dioxide is needed for plant growth. They do the equation photosynthesis to make their energy, and that needs the carbon dioxide. Our problem on Earth is that this is getting higher. And it's getting higher because we are burning things. Burning things make CO2. And we, of course, have the problem that it can make the Earth a much warmer place. Koldioxid stoppar många strålningar. Switch. Carbon dioxide stops a lot of the sun's rays from escaping as easily, traps heat around the Earth. Another gas similar to this is one called methane, eller metan. Det är CH4, methane, metan. Det är också som koldioxid. De två är greenhouse gases. Växthusgaser. Those are the type of gases that trap heat. Methane is actually made a lot by cows. Other animals do as well. Methane comes out of cows a lot because cows are really, really stinky. Not all humans, some humans, but especially cows, they fart a lot. And when they do fart, a lot of methane comes out. Cows, from a making the Earth not too hot point of view, are actually really bad for the environment. Because they give us lots of these greenhouse gases that make the Earth this warmer place. So there's a lot of things to think about with how we treat cows and other animals. Because any animals that are making these things, precis som människor faktiskt, they are helping to make the Earth warmer, which we don't want to do at the moment because it's going too fast. We're making it hotter and hotter and we can't really control it. So it's not that good. Those people are the main things in the atmosphere that you need to know. What are all these gases? What do they do? And why is that good? Why does it make Earth special? Questions to think about for the homework. Thank you very much.